he
The
murders a,
boy.
yeah,
Don't baby.
he murders a girl when he's young and he disappears, but he's actually hiding in the walls of his parents' house.
Oh.
And then he comes out and like murders people because they're babysitting his like doll who they claim is him. It's kind of a stupid horror movie, but
You know
still
that
hiding in the
horror-
walls.
You know that horror movie of like the babysitter who comes to his house, throws a party, and everybody that she invites to the party,
And what happens to everyone she invites to the party?
she kills them.
Oh.
Like she babysits this boy, and
Oh, that movie on Netflix.
it's on
Oh yeah,
Netflix.
and then the boy finds out.
Yeah.
Yeah, the
Something.
boy like sees her killing all these people. And he's like,
Yeah, the one on Netflix, right?
I don't even know.
And
I
what
just saw
happens
it.
to the boy?
Okay, we're gonna go to, what are we even at? 10,000? I can't read that, because I'm stupid.
I can't read that because I'm blind.
Okay, I'm going to assume that that's 10,000 feet right there. Yeah, okay, it's 10,000, yeah, okay, I'm not stupid. Okay,
Having to take down a hill, goes super fast. I'm gonna flip it.
okay,
I flipped a tank.
okay, and we're going inverted, right?
I just crushed the soldier
Now.
on top to death.
Nice.
Yeah, here we go, okay.
Well, actually, he's not dead. I can make him dead.
Okay, here we go.
I just shot him dead.
There we go. We got this.
Negative.
And we only lost 2,000 feet.
I'm gonna
Wow,
call it an
only 2,000.
airstrike.
You're gonna.
Let's see. There's...
Why?
Chris, stop dying.
Okay, let's go to. Well, what should we do? Well, we can't really turn.
Time is it? Let's see.
Why?
Let's go into the cockpit. Oh my goodness. So dark.
Oh, okay.
Okay, now that we're inverted and we've like accomplished our goal, we're going to stall out as we pull.
Fire support. Now where am I and where is the tank?
Okay, where are we at? We're at 70 degrees,
Okay, we want
80 degrees,
a bomb. strike.
90. Dope. We made it. I think we made it. I can't tell because it glitches out. Anyways, we're going into it. Oh, we stalled. Dope. Pull up.
Okay,
Just call it
can you...
out.
Do I have to distribute the negative? Well, yeah, but like it's... You know, I'll just do that. That'll be chill. It's fine. I know what I'm doing.
No, you don't.
No, I don't.
I survived a howitzer strike from 10 meters.
I survived inverting my 747.
I survived Nom.
You never even went to Nam.
Oh, there's the bomb strike. Well, prepare to die.
This is fun.
Let's see. So let's just... No, you'd have to do this first, so that'll be -2.
Oh, also, we're totally breaking FAA regulations right now. First of all, we inverted a 747.
I mean, I hope you would be.
5
Yeah. At second, we went over 250.
to the power
So?
of 3.
There's like a certain level. I think it's 10,000, where you have to be 250 knots or below. I don't know.
I know, but still, so.
Exactly. Nobody in this game cares.
Okay, so then that'd be...
Okay.
4 howitzer strikes and the tank is still alive.
Hey
Let's
guys,
keep at
question.
it.
What?
Would you do the exponent or would you distribute the negative first?
What?
Would you...
Wait, are you sending something in chat?
No, would you... Okay, just like...
Oh, you talking about PEMDAs?
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
Would you distribute a negative first or... solve the exponent.
Is it like a negative, like with, is it like parentheses with an exponent that's negative?
It's like a negative.
Type it in chat and Chris can look at it because right now
Oh my god.
I'm
Kate
dive
just
bombing
got
LAX.
centered. She's sending pictures of the band. Ooh.
Band.
Yeah.
We're not going to be able to pull up, but that's okay.
Just about that for that.
Dope.
I'm bored.
Oh my god. There's a lot of people over there. Okay, we're gonna try and invert it at, what are we at? 1,000 feet? Yeah, that'll work.
Will help.
There we go, we did it. We're gonna get as close to ground as possible.
I have so many
Okay.
accounts. I have 6.
Instagram? Oh,
Yeah.
I guess that's a tail strike? Not in the traditional sense. Oh, yep, yep, okay.
Huh?
We crashed. We're inverted, sliding on the ground.
Yeah, let me see.
That was fun.